Thank you for joining me on this episode of Hills on the Road to Life. My name is Zachary Hill.
Oh my.
Let's jump into it.
Well, that's not good. That is really not good.
YouTube, what up? So, we have an issue with our water heater. We had this water heater for, I don't know, anywhere from 2 to 4 years. Maybe 5. I don't think it's been 5. I want to say it's between 2 and 4 years. I've replaced this water heater once before. This water heater is leaking on us out of the fire chamber. So, as you can see here, there is a pool of water inside the fire chamber. There's a whole bunch of calcium deposits all around the fire chamber and all inside the fire chamber. It's all rusty out here. So I just shut all the valves and everything off to the water heater, so that way it has no pressure, that way it shouldn't leak anymore. And I came out here and just cracked loose the anode rod. Well, should we see what's inside the tank? Should we see what this thing looks like?
Oh my. Well, that's not good. That is really not good. What in the hell? Well, that's not good, is it? That anode rod looks pretty dang skinny to me. I wonder what the inside of the tank looks like. There's a whole bunch of white chunky bits all over the place. It's like some kind of calcium deposit or calcium buildup or something. What in the hell? All of our chairs are getting wet. Okay, I don't think you guys want to stand here with me and watch this thing drain. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so there we go. She's done draining out. I don't know how well you guys can see up in there, but it looks like there is a whole bunch of whatever that white buildup is. And so, yeah, it's time for us to get a new water heater, I guess. Sadly, this water heater, whether it's from my lack of maintenance, because I haven't pulled this plug out and drained it but maybe once a year, and I mean, if you look at the anode rod, I'll be honest with you, when we were in Loveland. That's the last time that I remember draining this thing was in Loveland. And that was over a year ago. A year and a half ago. So, yeah, it's been a minute. Well, learn from my mistake. Better care of your water. And hit that subscribe button. Maybe you'll get to see a video of me replacing this thing. it's all up to you. You want to follow along. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're interested, throw a comment down below. That maybe me and you have a little bit of a discussion. I like talking to you guys. Why not? You know? I enjoy it. Well, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so I was just poking around in the hole in here. I was just, doing one of these numbers, just poking around and just seeing what, doing one of these numbers, poking around, seeing what was gonna come out of there, and that piece of the antidote rod right there just came dropping out of there. So, yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. I'll see you later.